Hello and welcome back. This is part 2 of the compost tumbler. Today I'll be showing you how I make up my compost in the compost tumbler. I start with a mixture of brown leaves and fresh lawn clippings. I've been advised that you need to have 50-50 of each of these ingredients. I previously loaded up about a third of the bin with brown leaves. Now adding in some fresh lawn clippings, and I continue to add lawn clippings and brown leaves until I get the compost tumbler nearly full. After layering up the brown leaves and the fresh lawn clippings, I pour in about 6 litres of water and then a 20-litre bag of pretty much digested cow manure. You can see here. 6 litres of water I think roughly works out to be about 2% to 3% of water by volume. I rotate the drum every day for 3 weeks, and I'll show you a series of clips now where I've taken a picture of the progress of the composting each day for 3 weeks. By the end of week 1, it's already starting to look like compost. The compost breaks down quite a bit. You can see by week 2 we're just about half the volume that we started with, but it's starting to look pretty good at this stage. By the end of 3 weeks, you can see that the compost is just about done, and it's less than half the original volume. And this is where I've poured out the compost. You can see it's quite friable, good texture, and I put that straight onto the garden. I hope you've enjoyed this video. There's links to my other videos in the top right or left and down below in the description. Thank you.